When it comes to the rule of law, Italy has made little progress and more needs to be done. That's the sense of the European Commission's assessment in its latest report published on Wednesday. The European Commission has expressed doubts on a number of issues, including the latest draft reform to introduce the direct election of the Prime Minister and whether it will indeed bring more political stability. There are also concerns about whether the role of the head of state could be weakened as a result of it. The European Commission's assessment also touches on the latest justice reform and whether the independence and the authority of judges could be affected as a result of this latest reform. Here is what a Brothers of Italy deputy, who's part of the ruling coalition, told us about the Commission's report.
Qualcosa di positivo è stato fatto ed è stato riscontrato appunto a Bruxelles da parte di questo governo nell'ultimo anno e mezzo. Quello che di negativo è stato sottolineato, come ad esempio la questione RAI o il premierato, mi permetto di dire che sono ad esempio la questione RAI, cose che comunque in Italia ci sono da tempo e non è ovviamente legato e non può essere legato chiaramente soltanto al governo Meloni. Per quanto riguarda ad esempio il premierato, io vorrei ricordare che gli italiani quasi 2 anni fa hanno votato un governo, hanno votato la Meloni, l'hanno riconfermato ed è stato riconfermato questo governo alle recenti elezioni europee anche per fare delle riforme.
The annual Rule of Law report, which examines all member states, has highlighted ongoing problems with press freedom in Italy. The debate over political influence in the media sector has been growing. A few months ago, RAI reporters went on strike to protest against the government's control over editorial content. The Secretary General of the Italian Journalists Union, FNSI, says it's sad to see that Italy has been put on the same level as countries that face even more serious issues.
In Italia la libertà di informazione e il suo perimetro si stanno sempre più restringendo e questo è quello che noi abbiamo fatto presente negli ultimi mesi sia all'FJ sia alla Commissione europea con lettere, con richieste di missioni, con richieste di sopralluoghi, con tutto quello che potevamo mettere in campo per dire attenzione signori, in Italia la libertà di informazione sta svanendo. Mai come in questo caso c'è stata l'occupazione del servizio pubblico. La RAI è diventata una televisione con una forte connotazione politica di governo e questo non va bene, non fa bene al pluralismo dell'informazione.
Italian opposition parties have blamed Meloni's government for Italy's decline in democratic standards, arguing that they have long disagreed with some of the reforms at the heart of the report.
Around 140 flights were cancelled at Germany's busiest airport, Frankfurt, after climate activists glued themselves to the tarmac. The group is demanding the German government negotiate and signed an agreement to eliminate the use of gas, oil and coal by 2030.
Das Problem ist, dass unsere Regierung endlich ehrlich sein muss. Unsere Regierung unterstützt die Flugindustrie jährlich mit Milliarden Euro Steuergeschenken. Und nicht nur die Flugindustrie, sondern auch weitere klimaschädliche Industrien. Unsere Regierung muss endlich ehrlich kommunizieren, dass es so nicht weitergehen kann, dass auch die Flugindustrie sozial gerecht runtergefahren werden muss.
Flight operations began gradually resuming shortly before 8 a.m. On Wednesday, Oil Kills activists staged a protest at Geneva and Zurich airports in Switzerland, calling for an end to the use of fossil fuels by entering the airfields and sitting down on the runways, as well as blocking access roads to the airports.
In Portugal, young people up to 35 years old will be able to get a public guarantee to access 100% housing credit when buying their first home. This measure comes in addition to others designed by the government, such as the exemption of IMT and stamp duty.
Essa garantia pode, de facto, ajudar a resolver algumas fricções para alguns jovens que estão a tentar aceder a algumas casas até 450 mil euros, jovens até 35 anos inclusive, só que não é uma medida que irá resolver, por decreto, não irá resolver todos os problemas, nem os maiores problemas que afetam a geração mais jovem para tentar aceder à habitação.
As the governor of the Bank of Portugal warned, caution is needed in the implementation of these measures to avoid additional pressure on the market.
A partir realmente do final de 2022 e início de 2023, registramos esse aumento da oferta, que tem sido gradual, mas que ainda está longe de atingir os níveis de oferta que nós tínhamos em 2020 ou 2021. Portanto, essa oferta está a aumentar, mas ainda é insuficiente para satisfazer a procura que atualmente existe no mercado.
There are also measures on the supply side that could be considered.
Eu gostaria de ver mais medidas que possam atuar do lado da oferta, nomeadamente medidas que pudessem facilitar ou percebermos o que é que podemos fazer para facilitar o licenciamento camarário. Nós sabemos muito pouco sobre o tempo de espera que cada pessoa que tenta ter um processo de licenciamento camarário demora até conseguir que o seu processo de licenciamento avance. Nós sabemos muito pouco sobre quais são os motivos para que essas listas de espera sejam muito grandes, e nós, tudo o que pudesse ser feito para facilitar o licenciamento, para facilitar a criação, a construção, podia ser muito importante. Eu gostava de ver também medidas que, ainda no âmbito da oferta, nos ajudassem a perceber mais sobre que casas é que estão, quer de privados, quer e principalmente do Estado, que casas é que estão disponíveis, ou que habitação é que pode ser disponível, ou que zonas estão disponíveis para serem reabilitadas e transformadas em habitação, por exemplo, para jovens universitários.
For now, the details of the regulation are unknown, but it must be published by September the 11th. Two Dutch companies have received over €2 million each for the development of Tidal Energies, which is the extraction of energy from tides. The company, Equinox, works with a turbine that looks a bit like an underwater windmill, while the second company, Sea Current, has created a kite that rotates figure eights on a cable, which is connected to a generator on the seabed.
De kite die gaat ongeveer voor 600 woningen elektriciteit opwekken. Dat is Hollem of Nes, het zijn onze twee grootste dorpen. En hopelijk volgen er meer in de toekomst.
For both companies, the current in the sea as a result of ebb and flow is then converted into electricity.
De reden daarvoor is dat het al heel druk op de Waddenzee is. We weten niet wat voor effecten dit heeft op de natuur onder andere. En dan zouden andere zaken toch moeten verschuiven, zodat er ruimte voor zou komen.
But there are concerns over the profitability.
President Joe Biden said on Wednesday that he pulled out of the presidential race over concerns about the future of US democracy. He said he was, quote, passing the torch to a new generation in his first public remarks since ending his re-election bid against Republican Donald Trump. He praised Vice President Kamala Harris, who, after his endorsement, secured enough Democratic delegates to become the nominee in his place. During his speech, supporters gathered outside the White House in gratitude for his service. Vladimir Putin met with the president of Syria, Bashar al-Assad, in Moscow, according to a video published by Russian authorities. The Kremlin said Putin and Assad's meeting took place on Wednesday. The Russian leader evoked the situation in the Middle East as well as their bilateral relations.
Очень интересно ваше мнение по поводу того, как ситуация в регионе в целом развивается. К сожалению, она имеет тенденцию к обострению, мы это видим. Это касается и Сирии напрямую.
Assad said his visit coincided with the anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between the two countries.
ذلك أعتقد بتوقيت هذه الزيارة بالظروف التي تمر بها منطقتكم منطقة أوراسيا ومنطقتنا بشكل خاص والتعقيدات الكثيرة التي تتسارع بشكل يومي. هذا اللقاء سيكون هام جدا لمناقشة كل التفاصيل والاحتمالات والحلول الممكنة من أجل مواجهة هذه المشاكل.
Russia is a key ally for Assad, with the Russian military intervention in Syria in 2015 saving his regime in the midst of a civil war.
The US and Canada intercepted 2 Russian and 2 Chinese bombers flying near Alaska. In a statement, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD, said the aircraft remained in international airspace but vowed to monitor future activity. The Russian Defense Ministry confirmed that they carried out joint air patrols with China over the waters of the Chukchi, Bering and North Pacific Seas. But they say it's simply part of their military cooperation plan.
The Paris 2024 Olympic Games opened with a surprising 2-1 victory by Morocco's men's football team on the Pan American champions Argentina in Saint-Étienne. The game was interrupted for nearly 2 hours after multiple individuals stormed the pitch as Argentina scored the equalizer, then ruled offside in the 16th minute of stoppage time. Chaos also marred Israel's first Olympic game, as their national anthem was loudly cheered before the clash against Mali in Paris, which took place under tight security. Another stunning result came from Bordeaux, where Japan thrashed Paraguay 5-0, while France pleased the home crowds with a comfortable 3-0 win over the United States. The hosts got off to a slightly less sparkling start in men's rugby sevens as they beat Uruguay 19-12, but tied with the US. Current gold medalists Fiji defeated the US and Uruguay, while Ireland overcame reigning world champions South Africa 10-5, who also lost to New Zealand.